Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset a Mini Cooper service light. First, turn your ignition to the on position without starting the engine. Locate the trip reset button on your instrument cluster. Press and hold this button for about 10 seconds until the service interval display appears. Release the button, then press and hold it again to cycle through the service items. This initial step is crucial for accessing the reset menu. Once you see the service item you wish to reset, such as oil change or brake fluid, release the trip reset button. Now, press and hold the button again until reset appears. Confirm the reset by pressing and holding the button one more time. The display will show a new service interval, indicating a successful reset for that specific item. Repeat this process for any other service lights that need attention. While many service lights can be reset manually, some, like airbag or engine warning lights, require diagnostic tools. Always ensure the underlying maintenance, such as an oil change or new brake pads, has been performed before attempting a reset. Resetting a light without addressing the issue can lead to further problems. Your Mini Cooper's owner's manual provides detailed information specific to your model and year. If a service light reappears shortly after a reset, or if you're unsure about the cause, it's best to consult a qualified Mini Cooper technician. They have specialized diagnostic equipment to accurately identify and resolve complex issues, ensuring your vehicle remains safe and performs optimally. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Regular maintenance and prompt attention to warning lights are key to your Mini's longevity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.